Welcome to Deanna Ford CPA's how-to videos. In this video, we will discuss how to log in to the client portal for your first time. You will receive an email with the subject line stating Deanna Ford CPA Client Portal Account Information. The email will come from no-reply@officetoolsportal.com. This email will contain information regarding your username, which is your email address, a temporary password, which you will need to change, as well as the link to access the client portal. Once you receive the email, copy the temporary password or write it down and click the link to access the client portal. This will open up a new tab that will prompt you to enter your username, which is the email address that the message was sent to. Paste the temporary password or type it in, and then click Continue. You will now be prompted to set a new password before continuing to the client portal. Once you've done that, click Submit. You will receive a message that says Password Updated. Click OK, and now you are in the client portal. The last thing you need to do is verify your email address. There's a notice at the top of the screen, so click the Here link to verify the email. This can take up to 15 minutes to be processed. Once you receive that email from no-reply@officetoolsportal.com, click the link to finish the email verification. This will open a new tab with a notice at the top of the screen saying Email Verification Successful. Be sure to check out our other how-to tutorials for this client portal, such as uploading documents or sending secure messages. Also remember, you can access this client portal on our website, deannafordcpa.com.